Still trying to start an online business from scratch? Stop wasting time. Instead of paying every month for tools, developers, and random services, get a premium SMM Panel Script and launch your own branded business with a one-time payment. DVScripts gives you ready-made premium SMM, Massenpreis SMM Panel Scripts built for speed, design, and real business use. You can preview the panel before buying, check the features, see exactly what you're getting, and choose the version that fits your budget. No coding needed, no complicated setup, no starting from zero. And if you want everything done for you, just add the setup service and get your panel installed and secured fast. This is perfect for anyone who wants to launch a professional SMM panel with less time, less cost, and less risk. After setup, my panel looks like a real premium brand with a unique professional design that helps me stand out and build trust instantly. And with all major payment gateways included, I'm ready to accept payments and start selling immediately. Visit DVScripts now and build your own premium panel today.